startups. Now remember, the year 2020 has been an interesting one for the entire startup ecosystem. On one hand, you had a lot of startups becoming unicorns. On the other hand, this time forced a lot of startups to rethink, reimagine, and look at other different things as well. Look at a more diverse offerings in terms of the products they offer. So here's a special report put together by ET Now on the year that 2020 was for the entire startups ecosystem.
The COVID shock of March devastated most industries, and the startup ecosystem was no exception. Sequoia issued its famous memo calling coronavirus the black swan of 2020, and NASSCOM said 40% of Indian tech startups were forced to halt operations. But investments in startups have shown resilience and recovered as India saw a rapid shift to digital services and payments. However, the jury is still out on whether Jio Platforms' fundraising avalanche crowded out funds for the rest of the ecosystem, or if it will lead to newer investors looking at Indian startups. According to data from Venture Intelligence, startups in India raised $10.6 billion across 648 deals in 2020, the lowest in 4 years, in terms of the value and volume of deals. While the amount raised by startups is lower, the year also saw the emergence of 10 unicorns. Startups that raised top dollar include Zomato, Byju's, Oyo, Ecom Express, Dream11, Cars24 and Zenoti. Bengaluru-based startups clocked the highest number of deals in terms of volume, followed by NCR, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. In terms of investments, the sectors that raised the most funds in terms of value included e-commerce, education, logistics, food, fintech, real estate and healthcare. Some of the most active VC investors in terms of the volume of deals include Sequoia, followed by Axel, Matrix, Chirate, Lightspeed, Elevation Capital and Nexus Venture Partners. In all, 2020 saw 10 unicorns, the first being Pine Labs and the last being Daily Hunt. With restrictions placed by the government on funds coming from China and the Mauritius route, options are becoming narrower for startups as they seek follow-on rounds of funding. Will we see more strategic capital coming in from the likes of Google, Reliance and Tata Group as they seek a bigger pie of the startup ecosystem? Chandra Ashrikant, ET Now.